issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Zionsville to near Gilbertsville to near New Morgan, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing wind damage across portions of Berks County. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, public. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Pottstown, Lansdale, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Souderton, Bedminster, Birdsboro, Collegeville, Royersford, Chalfont, Tinicum, Trapp, Hatfield, East Greenville, Dublin, Schwenksville, and Fronttown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 304. Northeast extension between mile markers 27 and 48. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Hunterdon, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks. A severe thunderstorm warning remains